Yes, so I have made $500 here on YouTube with just 87 subscribers. And having the channel at that time for about 10 days, 2 weeks, something like that. Alright? Now, if you are one of those people that hate online coaching or courses or anything of that nature, then this video is not for you. You can click off this video now, because that's what I'm going to talk about. This is how I did it, basically. This is how I did it. So, I found in my life online courses and coaching programs that I bought for myself very, very helpful in the skills that I've learned. And I'm a big believer in online courses and online coaching programs. Alright? Most of what I know, in fact, maybe even all of what I know now, has been from courses or coaching programs. Alright? When we're talking about business. And bear in mind, I have a bachelor's degree in innovation and entrepreneurship, but everything that I am applying in real life, or almost everything, has been the things that I've learned from courses and programs online. So I'm a big believer in that, and that is how I actually got to make $500 from YouTube with only 87 subscribers. Okay? Now, how did I actually do it? Well, if you check any of my videos on the platform, on my channel, you will see that I have some text in my videos where I say, if you want to learn how to work online and travel the world, specifically on a budget, but travel the world maybe in general as well, email me, and I have my email over there. Okay? I have the same message in the video description, in all of the descriptions of all of my videos. Okay? But probably not all of them. Maybe in the beginning I did not do that. But just look at my recent videos and you'll see that. At the same time, I have it in my channel description, and I have that as a pinned comment to all of my videos. So basically it's and by the way, guys, I'm going to try and show you some proof to how I did this, and actually how I got the payment when I had 87 subscribers. I think it was 87 subscribers, but I'm gonna check. So I'm gonna try and put some proof there. I got payments. I did not get the money once, or like all the money at once. I got them split through in about like 4 weeks, okay? Because that's how long the program was, and I offered this option for, payment installments, okay? So at the moment I got my first payment, I was at 87 subscribers. I hope I'm not mistaken, that's what I remember. But I'm gonna try and put the proof here. Obviously this is a little sensitive information. I'm gonna show you like my PayPal. I'll see what I can do and put the proof in. Anyways, even if I show proof, there will still be people who would not believe it, but yeah, I don't care. You believe it, you believe it. You don't, you don't. If you jump on a call with me, I can show you everything, but I'm not gonna put absolutely everything on YouTube publicly, alright? But, so how did I do it? Just creating content here on the channel that I think helped a specific category of people. My channel is about traveling and making money while you travel, making money online. So I make content about that, and then my call to action, I tell people if they're interested, they can email me. If they're interested, how they can do the same thing. They can email me. And I had quite a few people emailing me for the past almost 2 months since I have this channel. But that's how I got my first client, my first coaching client. And my first payment. All right, I was at 87 subscribers. I got this email. We got on a call, and I sold him, and we worked together. Actually, it's been a success. I also have a testimonial from the client, but I'm not having it publicly on the channel. Again, if you're interested to work with me, you can send me an email and I can send you all those details, and we can also have a call, and I can show you everything. But that's how I made $500 with only 87 subscribers on the channel. Okay? And I would say most of the people can do that. You most likely can do that too. The thing is, you just have to be strategic about the type of content you publish on the channel. Now, I don't necessarily consider myself a YouTuber. I have around 500 people that subscribe to the channel, so not really a YouTuber. I don't consider myself a YouTuber, and probably never will, but I don't know, maybe I'll change the way I see things. I am a marketer, and that's what I am, and that's what I'm helping people, or that's what I'm teaching people, you know, who want to do the same things that I do. And bear in mind, guys, I'm not like the best marketer you've ever seen, the best marketer in the world. Far from that. I am learning the craft. I'm still learning the craft to this day. Oh yes, granted, I've been running ads on Facebook and Instagram for clients for over half a decade now, or for over five years. But you know, I'm not the best in the world. However, I'm a few steps ahead of anyone who never run ads on Facebook and Instagram before, of anyone who probably never made money online before. So, and that's enough to help those people. In fact, if you would be like a millionaire here on YouTube, and your clients would be like your coaching clients would be people who never made a penny online, or who are making, I don't know, like if you want to teach someone to make money online, for example, or someone, let me give this example. If you're a very good guitarist, right, very famous, world-renowned, and you want to teach someone how to play guitar, but that person never played guitar before. Now, it's not that it's wrong, but maybe it will be more beneficial for that person who starts from zero to learn from someone who's just a few steps ahead of that person, you know. And for me also, people see me as relatable, the people who email me, because I'm just a simple guy. I'm a freelancer. I don't have a big business. I don't make $10,000 a month. I make enough to travel and save while traveling. Alright? But people see this as being relatable. I don't promise people that I'm gonna help them make $10,000 a month. Yes, it is possible to do so with this business, but I don't promise them that, because I don't do it myself, you know? But yeah, my point is, you don't have to be like the expert. You don't have to be the expert. You just have to have more knowledge than the people you're trying to help. All right? So that's that. And if you treat YouTube like this, you know, you're strategic about your the content that you put out, you can make that happen too. I'm not special. I'm not special. The thing is, you have to stop focusing on getting subscribers. Just like, oh, I want to get subscribers. I want to get as many subscribers as I can. Sorry, in the shortest amount possible, and that's my goal. And anyone who would subscribe to my channel is a good person. In fact, that's not true. If someone subscribes to your channel but does not watch your content afterwards, that in fact might hurt you in the long run, all right? And don't try to reach every person in the world. You're probably not you're not Mr. Beast, all right? You're probably not gonna have that type of content on YouTube. So not everyone is a person that should subscribe to your channel. Don't focus on that. Focus on niching down, you know, and trying to help the right people with the type of skills you have. And when you do that, when you talk about the problems that the people you're trying to help are encountering, or you give them the information that they are searching for, you will attract them to your channel and they will be interested in working with you. Okay? Don't just... I see this so many times, and don't get me wrong, I will be excited when I reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours on the channel and be monetized, because there's also other benefits to that. Like, YouTube is going to kind of push your content a little more, you'll get more impressions as well, but let that not be your goal, because you'll end up being monetized and making $20-30 in your first month, second month, third month on YouTube. You will not even get paid, because you have to make at least $100 for YouTube to actually pay you. So treat YouTube seriously, have a strategy in mind, and you can do the same thing. First, I would say, start with thinking, okay, what is it that I know, that I'm passionate about, and that I know and that I would like to teach people about, okay? And at the same time, is this... That's it, okay? Just think about what is it that you know, and what is it you're passionate about, and what would you like to talk about, you know, in your videos and to teach people. And that's it, you know? From there, you will have an idea of what type of content you need to make, okay, for your channel. And at the same time, start developing that coaching program that you will be offering to the people who are interested in that, okay? It's that simple. And I've seen so many people on YouTube who are so afraid of actually facing that who are so afraid of actually recognizing, hey, I do have a course, or I do have a coaching program that I sell. No, they are kind of like afraid, and it's such a weird mentality. And people are hating on people who have something to sell on YouTube. You know what? Those people are not the type of people you want to work with anyways. They're not going to be part of your audience anyways. Don't be ashamed. If you have something to sell, you have something to sell. Don't be ashamed. Like 500 years ago, most people would not have a job, but most people would be small business owners, would have something to sell in order to survive. All right? And people are nowadays upset that someone on YouTube has something to sell. well, just ignore it. Just ignore it. It's like me being upset going on the street and seeing restaurants around me. Well, why do they have something to sell? And maybe that restaurant actually has like the food is not delicious and they overcharge. Well, I can as well just pass by them, you know. So don't, if you have this, I just felt like mentioning it. If you have this, get over it. Get over it. There will be people who, because you don't need to help. You don't need to, you know, you can help. It's better to help like a handful of people that you enjoy working with, and you know, you're also getting paid, and you also give them what they need and what they want, and contribute towards their success, than just, you know, having a channel where you just try to have as many views as possible, and then hoping that YouTube will pay you money, you know. And you're doing that because you think it's unethical to sell something. It's not unethical to sell something. It's unethical to be a fraud, okay? And it's unethical to steal, and it's unethical to be a liar, and all those things. But if you have something that you are good at, there's no problem in monetizing that, because people can choose to work with you or not. So that's how I made my first $500 on YouTube with only 87 subscribers. Alright? Because I did not focus on the number of subscribers that I'm getting, but rather I focused on the type of person that I'm attracting on the channel. So, and you can do that too. You can definitely do that too. That's all I had to say in this video. I hope it was informative. I hope it motivated you to go and take action. Let me know in the comment section down below what you think. If you have any questions, and if you like the video, like it please, and see you in the next video.